Once again, VTSV Auto guys, how y'all doing? We in here grinding at it. We got Mr. Rich doing floor pans on the 73 from Alabama. Shout out to Bama boys in the building. We got y'all coming nice. But this is more just floor pan work. A lot of the cars that we got have a lot of convertibles, so they have a lot of rust on the floor, moisture getting in, a couple different reasons. The evaporator might be leaking, that start corrosion, whatever it is. We went over with Mr. Lofton's car, the 72, that, you know, they have patch pans, which we ordered. We're waiting for them to come in for this car as well. When Chris brought his car, he had the patch pans already ordered, so we just went ahead and tackled them. That's how we got on that one immediately. We're ordering for this car, we're waiting for them to come in. But I just want to highlight the areas that you're going to see Mr. Rich done and doing. The rear seat floor pan, they don't make. They make a patch pan for the footboard of the rear seat and the footboard of the front seat. But the bottom part where your butt will go in for the back seat, they don't make a patch pan. Well, now we go back to hand fabricating. So we start with a thicker piece of metal than what it was there before from the factory, and then the contours of it, you know, look at the multiple bends that have to be made to fit flush, you know, and he tackled that perfectly. So, you know, just another thing that happened when you're building these cars, you kind of, like he always say, the corrosion kind of sets and goes uniquely onto each vehicle, and whatever's done, we'll have to just cut it out and make it. You know, for those cars that have parts, aftermarket companies that manufacture those parts, you know, thumbs up to them and us. You know, but for situations that have to be tackled where you got to improvise, you got to make it from scratch, you got to add bends to kind of give it the factory look, you know, we do that here too at VTSV Auto. So it's a little time consuming. You know, sometimes you'll look back at the bill and say, wow, you know, but this is what it takes to do it the correct way. You know, better than factories. You know, you have another 50 plus years of car left. You know, something that you can give to your grandkids, you know, and they can, you know, take care of. So that's how we build in here, kind of like a, you know, it kind of means something to us more than just, you know, basically us just taking your money. So I like the attitude, Mr. Rich. Good job.
This one cut pressed.
So you think this maybe was a parade car? Why they got, cause see, I can understand 2 holes for
3 holes.
but 3 holes, is that maybe the light? They probably had lights up here for the parade.
Parade, or they had one of the platforms on the back. Because it has a trailer hitch. This had a hitch on the back. If you look inside, you see
It
the 2
does.
holes on the floor?
It does?
It did.
Okay.
Don't know more.
Oh, that's what it was. It was a parade car.
fan. Yeah.
They probably was pulling something, like sometimes in the parade, the convertibles, and then you got the flashes. You know, you got the flashes for, you know, whatever state it might have been in. It might have been required to do
This was
this in the
Texas.
parade.
What's going on?
What's happening, man?
What's happening? What's happening? Building, you know, cars really is not easy at all. It's not like a brand new car or used car, but it's in a good, very good condition. Just all you need to do, like fix the damage, and that's it. You just go through a lot of process to do stuff like this. Welding, locking, sanding, bondo, because you're building a car, you know. You're not like fixing a car, you're building a car. That's why these cars, they take years, you know, to build. They don't take like a month or two, they take years. And every restoration in the car is the same process. If you want to do it right, if you want to do it like, you know, quick job, you can do it within a month or two or three or whatever. But maybe a couple of months later, you're gonna see bubbles coming out again. Bubbles, rust, whatever. So all the money that you spend and the time that you put and everything, because you're not doing the job right, it's gonna be like a waste of time and money, because you're not gonna enjoy the car. It's not gonna be like, you're not gonna have it like in good condition for too many years. When you do it like quick job and, you know, rush job. When you do it that way, you can have the car for many years, you know. The car is gonna be like in good condition, especially if the customer, you know, take care of it.